Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll explain how to sign up for Bybit using your mobile phone, add funds, and get started with futures trading. Everything is explained step by step, so it's easy to follow even if you're a beginner. To begin, I'll explain how to create a Bybit account. Before moving forward, make sure the Bybit app is installed on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. To get started, tap Sign Up Login on the main screen. Then, tap Sign Up in the top right corner. Next, choose your nationality. After that, tap Register Now at the bottom of the screen. You can register using either your email address or your mobile number. In the referral code section, enter SKY333 to receive a 20% trading fee discount along with additional bonus rewards. Once the code is applied, you'll see that exclusive rewards have been activated. Now, check the agreement box at the bottom, then tap Sign Up Now to continue. Complete the security check by sliding the puzzle to the right. Next, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Now, create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once finished, tap Sign Up Now. At this point, your Bybit account registration is complete. Next, let's move on to identity verification. To deposit, withdraw, or trade on Bybit, identity verification is required. Tap Verify My Identity to begin. Set the country where you currently live. Then, proceed to ID verification. Choose the identification document you'll use. In this example, I'll use a passport. Prepare your ID and tap Continue. Tap Continue once more to proceed. Position your passport within the camera frame, take a clear photo of the information page. Next, you'll complete face verification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Move your face and blink as instructed to finish the process. This completes your identity verification submission. After about 1 hour of review, your verification status will be approved. Now, let's set up security for your account. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. Tap Security. We'll set this up using Google Too Far. Tap Activate to begin. Complete the email or mobile verification if prompted. The Google Authenticator setup screen will now appear. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone, then tap Continue in Bybit. A setup key will be generated. Copy this setup key. Now, open Google Authenticator. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Bybit. Paste the setup key into the key field. A 6-digit code labeled Bybit will appear. Copy this code and return to the Bybit app. Tap Next. Paste the 6-digit code into the field. Once entered, Google Authenticator is fully activated. Next, I'll explain how to deposit funds into your Bybit account. Bybit supports several different deposit options. In this video, we'll focus on using an on-chain deposit. Tap Assets in the bottom right corner of the screen. Under the Account section, you'll see 2 different wallets. The Funding wallet is used for deposits and withdrawals. The Unified Trading wallet is a wallet used for trading. To add funds, start by selecting Funding. Then tap Deposit. Next, choose Deposit Crypto. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Most users usually go with USDT. After that, choose the network for your deposit. The Tron network is the most commonly used option. Once selected, a deposit address will be generated automatically. Copy this deposit address. Next, open the exchange or wallet where your crypto is currently stored. On that platform, tap Send or Withdraw. Make sure to select on-chain withdrawal as the method. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Bybit. In the address field, paste the deposit address you copied from Bybit. For the network option, select the same network you chose on Bybit. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Withdraw to continue. After a short processing time, the funds will arrive in your Bybit Funding wallet. Next, I'll explain how to trade futures on Bybit. Before placing any futures trades, you'll need to move your funds from the Funding wallet to the Unified Trading wallet. Start by tapping Funding. From there, select Transfer to move your assets. Set the transfer direction from Funding account to Unified Trading account. Choose the coin you want to transfer. Enter the amount. Then tap Confirm. After a brief moment, the funds will appear in your Unified Trading wallet. Now, let's move on to Futures Trading. Tap Trade in the center of the bottom menu. At the top, select Futures. This will open the Futures Trading screen. First, tap the icon in the top left corner. Select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Next, adjust the margin mode. In isolated mode, only a portion of your margin is used for a single position. In cross mode, your entire margin balance is shared across positions. For beginners, isolated mode is generally the safer option. Next to that, tap here to set your leverage. Leverage on Bybit can be set up to 100 times. While higher leverage can increase potential gains, it also significantly increases risk. If you're new to futures trading, using lower leverage is a much safer approach. Below this section, you can check how much margin is currently available. Tap here to choose the order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price. A limit order is placed at the price you set. Enter the price and quantity for your trade. Below, select the direction of your position. Choose long if you expect the price to rise. Choose short if you expect the price to fall. If you tap Positions at the bottom, you can view all of your active positions. You can see the position status of the coins you've entered. Unrealized P&L shows your current profit or loss. The entry price is the price where you entered the trade. The mark price reflects the current market reference price. The leak price indicates where the position will be force closed. To manage risk, tap Set TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit the trade, tap Close Buy. You can close the position using either a market or limit order. Enter the price and quantity to close the position. Tap Confirm to proceed. Your position will be fully closed. In today's video, I explained how to register on Bybit using your mobile phone, along with how to deposit funds and start trading futures, all in a simple and easy to follow way. Your likes and subscriptions mean a lot to me, and really help support the channel. Thank you so much for watching.